Hi there, this is Adnan. Welcome back to my channel Training Express. First of all, let's look at the answer to session 1's question. Question was, what is the purpose of accounting? And the answer is to facilitate decision making. Okay, now we will talk about today's session. Today is our session number 2 and we are going to talk about elements of financial statements. So let's look at session number 2. Today we are going to talk about elements of financial statements. Elements of financial statements make up those financial statements. In other words, financial statements comprise of these elements. There are 5 elements of financial statements: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Now let's look at these elements in detail. The first element is assets. What if I ask you a question? What do you own in your daily life? Your answer might be a car, computer, a house, business, cash, or jewelry. So the items which we own in our daily life in accounting, we call them assets. So we can say that the assets are resources that are controlled by the company as a result of past events and from which future economic benefits are expected to flow into the business. There are 2 features of the assets. Number 1 is that we can control them, and this control normally comes through ownership. And the second feature is that there will be an economic benefit inflow in future. Now let's look at the second element of financial statement. What if I ask you a question? What do you owe in your daily life? So you might owe a bank loan, you might owe a student loan, some credit card bills, mortgages, or any other unpaid expenses. So the amounts which we owe in our daily life in accounting, we call them liabilities. So liabilities are present obligations as a result of past event that will result in outflow of economic benefits in future. There are 2 features of liabilities. Number 1 is that these are claims on the company's resources. And the second one is that there will be an outflow of economic benefits in future. Now let's look at the summary of first 2 elements. Items which we own, they are called assets. Amounts which we owe, they are called liabilities. Now is it necessary that all of my assets will be equal to liabilities? Answer is no. So what if I take the difference between assets and liabilities? What it would be called? The difference between assets and liabilities is called equity. And if it is my personal life, same equity is called net worth. Third element of financial statements is owner's equity. It is simply the difference between assets and liabilities. We can also define owner's equity as a residual interest, which simply means that whatever is left after deducting liabilities from assets. The feature of the equity is that these are owner's claims on the business resources, because lenders have got first claim and whatever is left belongs to the owner. Fourth element of financial statements is revenue. Revenue is simply an inflow of economic benefits. Types of revenue are sales revenue, which simply means we can earn revenue by selling goods, or we can earn revenue by performing services, or we can earn revenue by earning some interest or by receiving some rental income. The form of revenue in which we receive this revenue is cash or account receivable. Last element of financial statements is called expenses. Expenses are simply an outflow of economic benefit in the form of cash or accounts payable. Features of expenses are that these are costs incurred to generate revenue. Economic benefits normally expires in a single period. Some of the examples are salaries, rent, advertising, etc. At the end of this session, let me ask you a question. ABC Corporation has got assets of $50,000 and equity of $30,000. How much liabilities this company is carrying? For the answer, please watch my next session. Okay guys, this is the end of session number 2. I hope you liked today's session. So let's summarize what we have learned today. Today we have learned that there are 5 elements of financial statements, and they are assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Please stay tuned for more accounting lectures and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.